Imagine this, you've saved up $100 and you're eager to start trading. You've seen people making moves online and you think, why not me? But that excitement quickly turns into hesitation. $100 feels small compared to the big numbers you see people talking about. Will it even make a difference? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can start trading with $100. In fact, many successful traders have started small, learning to grow their money and skills over time. And today, we'll explore how you can do it too, with just $100 in your account. But let's get real. There are risks, and trading isn't a guaranteed way to grow your money. So buckle up, because we're going to dive into how you can get started and what you need to be cautious about.
Before we dive into the how, we need to talk about something crucial, the risk. Trading with $100 has unique challenges. Small accounts can feel like they're not growing fast enough, and the temptation to go big can be high. But here's the thing, guys. Risking a significant chunk of your $100 on any one trade could wipe you out. So the goal isn't to double your money overnight, it's to learn, to build confidence, and to develop a solid trading strategy, along with solid trading habits. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Remember, trading involves risk.
One of the most straightforward ways to start is by opening your own trading account. With just $100, you want to look for brokers that have low or no minimum deposit requirements and offer fractional shares. Fractional shares let you buy a piece of a stock so you don't have to spend $200 or $300 on a single share of a big name company. This is a great way to diversify and get a real feel for the markets. Popular brokers like Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity offer this feature, but make sure to research the fees. Even small fees can chip away at a small account. Remember, you'll have to think of every dollar as valuable fuel to your trading journey.
Now here's where things get interesting. Prop firms. This can be a game changer for traders with small accounts who want to access larger capital. Here's how it works. You pass an evaluation, and that shows that you're disciplined, profitable, and in return, they'll let you trade with their money. In some cases, this can be thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. If you make money, you keep a percentage of the profits. But there's a catch. These evaluations aren't easy, and they're designed to test you. You'll need solid skills and risk management to succeed. Passing isn't guaranteed, and there's usually an upfront fee to take the evaluation. Some popular prop firms are FTMO, Apex, My Funded Future, Top Step Trader, Elite Trader Funding, you get it. The bottom line, prop firms can be an amazing option, but only if you're disciplined.
Another option for those with small accounts is to use a broker that offers leveraged accounts. Leverage essentially allows you to control a larger position than what's in your account. With $100, some brokers might give you leverage that allows you to trade as if you have $400 or more. While this sounds exciting, remember that leverage amplifies both your wins and your losses, so be cautious with this approach. For beginners, I'd recommend starting without leverage until you've built up your confidence.
Now, this is actually my favorite option. If you're still learning or just want to get a feel for the markets, consider starting with a demo account. It's like trading with play money, but in a real market environment. You can practice, make mistakes, and see what trading strategies work for you without risking your $100. Many platforms offer demo accounts, and they're invaluable for learning how to manage emotions and make decisions under pressure. Give them a shot.
So let's recap. You can start trading with $100 by opening your own account with a low-fee broker, exploring prop firms if you're skilled enough, trying leverage if you're cautious, or practicing on a demo account to build up your skills. But no matter which path you choose, remember that trading is a journey. Starting with $100 won't make you rich overnight, but it can be the start of something much bigger if you stay disciplined. Learn continuously and treat each trade as a lesson. I hope this video gave you the confidence to start trading with $100. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and let me know in the comments what's your biggest question about getting started with trading. I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading, and remember, every dollar counts.